Morning, thanks for joining me today when we're going to be discussing Legionella. So Legionella is Legionnaire's disease. So Legionnaire's disease can occur in places where water has been left lying and not flowing. So anywhere that the water systems have been out of use are at risk of Legionnaire's disease, and your water could be contaminated with Legionella bacteria. So any kind of hotels, bars, anywhere that's been closed, pools, water fountains, etc. that have been closed to the public, they do need to be decontaminated to make sure that they're not infected with Legionella bacteria. So Legionnaire's disease can be fatal. It's a Legionellosis is a collective term for diseases that can be caused by Legionella bacteria, and it's basically a type of pneumonia. So the risk of getting seriously ill increases with age and if you have a respiratory illness. But anybody can really be struck down with Legionnaire's disease. So it's best to try to prevent it by using some good kind of hygiene practices that we're going to be talking about today. So Legionnaire's disease is you're basically infected with Legionnaire's disease if you inhale the Legionella bacteria through water droplets. So that generally happens in the main, it happens in kind of showers, in areas where the water hasn't been flowing, so in hotels where rooms haven't been used for a prolonged period of time. So it's best to decontaminate your shower heads, etc. with a bactericide. So pools, hot tubs, water tanks, dishwashers, ice machines and water fountains can also be affected. And I think I would like to really touch here on ice machines, because ice machines are an area that is often neglected when individuals, particularly bars and restaurants, etc., are doing a deep clean. So it is important to be taking a BSEM 1276 spray, like our kitchen cleaner that I've got here. This one here is BSEM 1276, and it will kill Legionnaire's disease in your ice machines, etc. So it's important that you empty them out and give them a spray down, wait 30 seconds and then just wipe it out to kind of prevent contamination. Your water needs to be more than 20 degrees and less than 60 degrees to prevent the Legionella growth, and particularly because we've just come out of a lockdown in the UK. Over the winter, there is a chance that your water supply would have got to less than 20 degrees. So it is important to make sure that you are decontaminating your areas. So what we would recommend is you either use the kitchen cleaner that I just showed you. So this one here, the kitchen cleaner, which is BSEM 1276, or you can use particularly in bathrooms with shower heads. Shower heads are quite an area that are affected by Legionella bacteria. You can use a product that we sell here called Clean Fast. It's a bathroom cleaner that has got a really nice citrusy smell, but it's also BSEM 1276 with a contact time of 30 seconds. You can either buy it in 5 litres or 750 mils. With the 5 litres, I would just make up a solution of 1 part to 10, so 1 part chemical to 10 parts water in a bucket. Unscrew your shower heads and just put them all in there and just leave them for a good couple of hours. And the Clean Fast will not only decontaminate them from Legionella, it will also get rid of all other bacteria that have been growing in there, but also it will get rid of all the scale and all the stool. And if you take like a nail brush and just give the tops of them a quick going over with a nail brush, it will remove kind of any soil that is built up or lime scale that built up over time. So you can use Clean Fast. And Clean Fast is a great all-round product for your bathrooms, toilets, sinks, showers, etc. So that's kind of today's update on Legionella. for all the hospitality places that have finally completely opened. Well done for getting through it, and I hope that many people like myself who love to come out for dinner will be coming to join you really, really soon. Thanks so much. Bye.